So subtraction, all we'll see the all four possibilities. 0 minus 0 means 0, so no problem. 1 minus 0 also 1. 1 minus 1 also 0. It's very simple. Directly we can write it. 0 minus 0 means 0. 1 minus 1 also 0. 1 minus 0 means 1. Suppose 0 minus 1, second number is greater, means what will happen? It will be 1. We need to borrow the 1 from previous digit, right? We need to borrow, otherwise, because second number is bigger, first number is lower, so we need to borrow the 1 from previous digit, then only we can perform this possibility 0 minus 1, so that it is 1 with borrow 1, right? Other combinations are very easy. So by using that we can see the example. So perform the subtraction of these two binary numbers. 111 minus 0011 right? We need to subtract these two binary numbers, right? I will go to this. So this is the first number is written 111 then second number 0011 0010. So this is a carry, this is a borrows are available, and this is the result is given, right? So I will see this one by one. 0 minus 0 means 0. This 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1 means what happened? We need to borrow from this number. So while borrow from this number, this 0 become 10, this 1 become 0, right? So I will explain again. 0 minus 0 means 0. 0 minus 1, second number is bigger, so we need to borrow from this previous digit. Previous digit 1 is available. We'll take 1 from this previous digit, so that this 0 become 10. This 1 become 0. What is 10 value? 10 is nothing but 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 10 is nothing but binary equivalent. The decimal equivalent will be 2. So 10 minus 1 is 1, right? So this number is 1 is now become 0 because we borrow is there, so that 0. So 0 minus 0 again 0. Then 1 minus 0 also 1, right? Again here again we need to take the borrow. 0 minus 1 is there. 0 minus 1, right? So 0 minus 1, take the borrow from this number, right? So it become 10. This number become 0. This number is become now 0. So 10 means 2. 2 minus 1, 1, right? So here now the 0 is available. Here again one more possibilities we have 0 minus 1. We need to borrow from previous digit, right? 0 minus 1, right? So is borrow from this number. So it become 10. This number become 0. The 10 means 2. 2 minus 1, 1, right? This number is 0. So rate it as 0 as it is. 1 minus 0, 1, right? So we can perform the subtraction. The final answer will be 10111010, right? So I will explain again. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 1 means we need to borrow the number. It is borrowed from the third digit. While borrowing, third digit becomes 0, second digit become 10. 10 means 2, decimal equivalent. 2 minus 1, 1. Now this third digit is 0 because of borrow. So 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 0, 1. We can write it easily. But 0 minus 1, again the second number is lower. So borrow from this number. While borrowing, this number becomes 0. This number become 10. 10 means 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Now here 0 is available. 0 minus 1. Again second number is bigger. So we need to borrow. While borrowing, this 1 become 0. This 0 become 10. 10 means 2. 2 minus 1, 1, right? So this 0 is written as it is. 1 minus 0 is 1, right? So that we got the final value. Now we'll go to the one more example. So in this example, the first number is 11000011. Second number is 00111011. We need to subtract these two numbers. First write the number 1, first number 11000011. Second number is 00111011. Right? Now we need to subtract these two numbers. This is the result available over which we have borrow is there. Right? Now it's a 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 minus 0, 0 is clearly given. Right. Now we give 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1, we need to take the borrow. Right. So the previous digit also 0. Then again previous digit also 0, only this digit having 1. So we need to borrow from this number, right? I will explain one by step by step. So while borrowing, this 1 become 0. This 0 become 10. 10 means 2, right? So again while borrowing to this number, this 0 become 10. This 2 become 1, because again we borrow this number borrowed from this previous number. Right. So again from this number we need to borrow here. So that 10 means 2, 2 become 1, this 0 become 10, 10 means 2. Right. Step by step we can explain this. Right. While borrowing, while giving the number to the next digit, this 1 is 0. This 0 become 1. 1 means 2. Again giving the borrow, it become 1. While getting borrow, this 0 become 10. 10 means 2. Again giving borrow to the next number, it become 1. Right. So while getting borrow, this 0 become 10. 10 means 2. Right. See this, here 2 is available, here 1 available, here 1 available, this become 0. Right. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Here only 1 is available. 1 minus 1, 0. Here only 1 is available. 1 minus 1, 0. Here 0 is there. So 0 minus 1. Here the number is 0. So it is totally 0. Here 1 minus 0, 1. Right. So we got the final value 1 triple 0, 1 triple 0. Right. So I will explain again. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Here 0 minus 1. Second number is bigger. We need to borrow from previous. But previous number also 0. Then another previous. That also 0. Then another previous. Only this number is 1. So while borrowing this from this digit to this, and this one to this, this one to this, is automatically the values are reduces. Right. 1 become 0. This 0 become 10. 10 means 2. While giving borrow again, it become 1. While getting borrow, 0 become 10. 10 means 2. Again giving borrow to the next number, it become 1. While getting borrow, this 0 become 10. 10 means 2. Right. So see this value, after giving borrow, it is become 0. This 2 become 1. This 2 become 1. This will become 2. Right. So then we can perform the subtraction. Right. So finally we got this value. So in this video we discuss about binary addition and binary subtraction with example problems. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. Link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.